Before I will say anything, I want make una watch this video.
Hello, everyone. Good morning. How is work, my brother? Nah, Ebube. Nah, Obi Abowagum. My heart is bleeding. Seriously bleeding. The Nigerian soldiers on 9th of April, Nigerian soldiers came to my village and rendered me homeless. So I'm from Okigwe, Amanchara Bobo, in Okigwe local government. So Nigerian unfaithful that very ugly day, 9th of April, Nigerian soldiers came to my village, said I are searching for unknown gunmen, and went to my village and burned down my father's house. We are only 3 boys, and out of the 3 boys, none of us are in the village. It's only my mother. My father is late. It's only my mother in the village. They went and burned the house down and all the properties. Nigerian soldiers. Then I was asking a question: is my mother among the unknown gunmen? They dragged my mother out of the house. So, Evangelist Ebube, because I need your help, seriously. I need your help. I am a Tichana Eze. We met Eze. We met local government chairman. Even the DSS. We have written to DSS. Nothing happened. These military men that came to our house and burned this house. I'm not judging you. What did they burn the house? All the properties we had there was burned down. When you check the video I sent to you, that video is my father's house. Nothing came out. My mother fainted, and the shock is still on her. She's in the hospital since that time till now. The Nigerian military men, Nigerian soldiers, they burned the house down. While we are very, very innocent. Even if you go to that village and ask them, that family, my family, they will tell you that nothing concerns this family with any down thing, and they burned this house. Innocent people. I don't know what is happening in Imo State. The governor has never said anything about this. We have written to all the rights authorities, but nothing happened. Because I'm talking to you now, I'm homeless. And you know what it takes to build a house now. These people went and burned my father's house down. My brother.
This house that you are seeing was destroyed by Nigerian soldiers sent by Governor Hope Uzodimma. Listen, let me tell you people something. This house where you see now, now only mama, only one woman, now she dey live in this house. She born 3 sons, and that 3 sons where she have, all of them know their village. No a single one of them their village. All of them know their village. The soldiers came that place, bring the woman outside, burn that house, destroy all the houses. Innocent person. This is what is happening in Imo State, and we have somebody that called himself Governor of Imo State, Governor Hope Uzodimma. Governor Hope Uzodimma, listen to me. I'm not against you for fighting evil people you are fighting. No. If you want to fight evil people, fight them. But them destroying people, innocent people houses, you know good. All of us there inside Nigeria, we know how much they say 1 bag of cement. We know how much they are selling one block, shippings or stone. How much? Oh my God! To build one room and parlor, you will spend millions of naira. How much more these houses to build this house? But for the whole purpose of them, I don't understand I don't understand what is happening in this country called Nigeria. Pressing the poor people. He told me then they don't have any house to stay. Even though if they won't come back to village, they don't have any house again to stay. Even their mama fall, then carry and go to hospital because the woman collapse. The woman faint, then carry and go to hospital. The woman sees soldiers burning their houses, destroying their property, where she no do anything. And this family, they have went to DSS, they have went to local government chairman, report this thing, no justice till today. You are telling me that we are not living in a wicked generation. Wicked generation when politician will stand up and do whatever he want to do because he has power, political power. He has connection with the president of the country. He has connection with the senators and the governors. He have money. He think that he can do anything. But if you can control those powers, you cannot control spirits. One day, God Almighty will judge you. All this evil you people are doing in this country called Nigeria. They are now homeless. They are now homeless. Even their mama now, she don't have any place to stay again because the soldiers that Governor Hope Uzodinma brought in Imo State has burned everything. This is how they are bombing innocent people houses under the name they are looking for unknown gunmen.